Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nestled deep within the rolling green countryside of the Cotswolds, surrounded by miles of stone-lined fields, mature trees, and that unmistakable English charm, sits one of the most thoughtfully crafted modern country homes designed by renowned architect Tom Gresford. Today, we're stepping inside this extraordinary property, an architectural blend of timeless rural character and contemporary sophistication. This isn't just a house, it's an experience. A home shaped by the land around it, built with intention, and designed with a sensitivity that makes every space feel peaceful, warm, and deeply connected to nature. As we approach the home, the first thing you notice is the Cotswold stone exterior. Soft golden hues that look even more beautiful under natural sunlight. The structure was designed to feel completely rooted in its environment, almost as if it's been here for generations. But the clean lines, slender window profiles, and subtle modern touches remind you that this is a home created with a contemporary vision. The driveway curves gently, revealing landscaped gardens that expertly balance formality with natural beauty. Low hedges, clusters of lavender, ornamental grasses, and flowering plants guide you toward the entry. Every part of the garden feels intentional yet wonderfully relaxed, just like the home itself. Walking toward the front door, you immediately appreciate how the architecture frames the surrounding countryside. Large picture windows are strategically set into the stone facade, pulling the landscape visually into the interior. It's a back and forth dialogue between architecture and nature, something Tom Gresford is admired for. Stepping inside, the first thing you feel is calm. The entryway opens into a space filled with soft natural light. Oak flooring stretches throughout the main level, warm and tactile underfoot. The walls are a gentle off-white tone that makes the home feel airy and peaceful while giving the rooms a gallery-like quality perfect for artwork. The design philosophy becomes clear immediately, minimalism but with soul. Clean lines paired with natural, organic materials. A modern atmosphere softened by texture, craftsmanship, and timeless character. As we move into the main living area, the scale of the space really begins to reveal itself. A vaulted ceiling rises above, supported by exposed timber beams that add architectural rhythm and warmth. These beams aren't ornamental. They're structural, authentic, and give the room a beautiful sense of honesty and materiality. Large sliding glass doors span the rear wall, opening up to uninterrupted views of the countryside. When fully open, the entire living area becomes an extension of the outdoors. Fresh Cotswold air flows in, natural sounds filter inside, and the entire room feels alive. The living room is arranged around a stunning stone fireplace, crafted from the same local stone used on the exterior of the house. It's a centerpiece that adds presence and anchors the room in a sense of heritage. A modern wood burning stove sits within the fireplace, combining old and new in a single gesture. Comfortable contemporary seating, soft neutral fabrics, and simple oak furnishings complete the space without ever overwhelming it. Every piece feels chosen, not crowded. Every angle feels tranquil. This is a home designed for slow mornings, peaceful evenings, and quiet appreciation of the surrounding landscape. Moving from the living room into the open, concept kitchen and dining area, the design tone remains beautifully consistent. The kitchen features custom-made cabinetry in a muted, earthy tone, something between warm gray and pale olive, perfect for the home's natural palette. The countertops are honed stone, durable yet elegant. A large central island sits at the heart of the room, offering prep space, casual seating, and a place where conversations naturally gather. The layout is functional but also highly aesthetic, emphasizing clean lines, hidden storage, and a sense of calm order. High-end appliances are seamlessly integrated and lighting is layered. Soft under-cabinet lighting, minimalist ceiling fixtures, and warm natural sunlight that pours in through large glazing. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area. A handcrafted oak table sits below a sculptural pendant light, offering the perfect setting for dinners with friends, family gatherings, or quiet meals while gazing out at the countryside. The dining space opens directly onto a stone patio through oversized glass doors, creating a smooth indoor-outdoor living experience. On warm days, the doors stay open, allowing the dining area to blend fully with the garden. This home is all about flow, balance, and harmony. Continuing through the main level, we enter a cozy secondary lounge or snug, a more intimate space perfect for reading, unwinding, or enjoying a quiet evening by another wood-burning stove. This room is smaller and more cocooned than the main living area, intentionally designed to feel like a retreat within the home. Soft wool rugs, textured cushions, built-in bookshelves, and soft lighting make it effortless to relax here. It's the kind of room that invites you to slow down and disconnect. Moving down the hallway, we reach a beautifully designed utility and boot room, a must-have feature for homes in the English countryside. This space is practical yet elegant, with built-in storage for coats and boots, durable stone flooring, and access to the garden. The functionality doesn't compromise the design. Instead, the space feels cohesive with the rest of the home. Just past the utility area is a dedicated home office with a picture window framing a perfectly composed view of the landscape. It's the kind of workspace that inspires creativity and calm. Minimal furniture, warm materials, and excellent natural light make it an ideal environment for anyone working from home. Now we move upstairs via a gracefully crafted staircase that blends oak treads with sleek balustrades, offering a modern interpretation of traditional design. At the top of the stairs, the landing opens into a bright, airy circulation space lined with more windows. The upper level features multiple bedrooms, each designed with simplicity, comfort, and tranquility in mind. But the principal suite is where the architectural vision truly shines. Entering the principal bedroom, you're immediately drawn to the wide, set windows that capture a panoramic view of the Cotswold hills. The room is spacious but never oversized. It feels intimate, warm, and deeply restful. The color palette includes soft neutrals, warm woods, and subtle textures. A contemporary four-poster bed anchors the space, and built-in wardrobes offer seamless, clutter-free storage. The ensuite bathroom is a sanctuary. A freestanding tub sits beside a large window, offering a spa-like experience with views of the countryside. The stone tiles, walk-in rain shower, minimal fixtures, and natural materials give the room a clean, almost meditative feel. It's a perfect balance of luxury and restraint. The additional bedrooms on this level continue the home's design language, calming colors, large windows, organic materials, and thoughtful details. Each room feels like it belongs to the same story, but still offers its own character. Some have vaulted ceilings, others have built-in window seats, and all of them feel warm, inviting, and filled with natural light. The family bathroom mirrors the aesthetic of the principal ensuite, simple yet luxurious, functional yet serene. Back downstairs, we step outside through the main living area's sliding doors and into the beautifully landscaped garden. Stone patios create multiple outdoor seating areas, perfect for dining, lounging, or enjoying sunset views. Beyond the patio, the garden opens into meadow-style planting with tall grasses gently moving in the breeze. It feels wild, natural, and perfectly in tune with the surrounding countryside. This outdoor space is not only beautiful, it's an extension of the home's interior, designed to be enjoyed throughout the year. Whether it's morning coffee overlooking the fields, summer evenings with the doors wide open, or cozy winter nights by the fire inside, this home adapts to every season effortlessly. What makes this property particularly special is how seamlessly it blends contemporary design with the traditional soul of the Cotswolds. Tom Gresford's approach is evident throughout the home. His understanding of context, proportion, and materiality gives this house a quiet elegance. Never loud, never showy, always perfectly balanced. This is a home that doesn't seek to impress with extravagance. Instead, it impresses with harmony, warmth, and its deep connection to the landscape. It celebrates craftsmanship, natural materials, and thoughtful design. Everything feels intentional. Everything feels meaningful. As we walk back through the house one more time, the feeling of serenity becomes even more apparent. The natural light moving through the rooms, the texture of the timber, the warmth of the stone, the open views, the peaceful silence. All of it creates a lifestyle that feels almost idyllic. This home stands as a modern interpretation of country living, one defined not by excess, but by authenticity, beauty, and connection to nature. It's a place where architecture enhances life rather than overwhelms it. A place designed not just to be seen, but to be felt. And in many ways, that's the ultimate luxury. So as we step outside and take one final look at this extraordinary Cotswold home, it's clear why properties like this are so admired. They're not just beautiful, they're timeless. Homes that stand gently within the landscape, built with respect for the past and a vision for the future. This is rural living at its finest, seen through the eyes of a masterful architect. And that concludes today's tour of this breathtaking home in the Cotswolds, designed by Tom Gresford. An inspiring example of architecture, craftsmanship, and the art of truly thoughtful living.